Satrang Art Gallery Serena presented live in a play exhibition with Minna and Farazeh. Painters have each created vibrant scenes for audience and viewers to sink into. These slices of life are like moving parts of play, at times absurd, to others dramatic, sometimes contradictory, coming together to create a complete journey. The title of exhibition references Shakespeare's quoted comparison of the stage of life to acts of a play. The artist chose to depict the female form within these scenes, either directly through representation in order to highlight female dynamism, passion, playful depict, and frame, sometimes more intense. These paintings narrated the story of each unique character.
It's like a wall almost. So I had to cut it down, reduce the size so easy to transport it.
So it was half both height and
No, just the height. This is still 7. It was 7.
oh, okay, so it went up.
It went up. No, like I cut a little bit from here, a little bit from up here.
इतनी कलरफुल सी एग्ज़िबिशन इतने अरसे के बाद तो काफ़ी लोगों को चेयर अप कर रही है। कलर्स इतने ब्राइट हैं, मतलब अभी इस टाइम पे हम सबको ना वापस खुश होने की ज़रूरत है। और ये एग्ज़िबिशन इसीलिए मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी क्योंकि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कलर्स हैं, बहुत ब्राइट हैं और काफ़ी खुश एग्ज़िबिशन है। कोई गम के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है, कोई ग्लूमीनेस नहीं है, बस इट्स अबाउट हैप्पीनेस एंड आई रियली लाइक इट।
From the rest of the work because it is sort of a landscape. The only thing I would connect this with the rest of the work would be the use of color and the patterns and the idea of I mean you wonder when you look at it whether the girl is underwater or is she above water, is she sitting inside coral reef or is she in some sort of an alien landscape? So it's that I'm going to say it's not actually, it's a friend of mine. I made a model for me and this is also oil. Everything else over here is acrylic. This one's an oil painting. Green scale is called Minna. I love it. It's my favorite. Out of yours. I love it. I mean, I shifted from figurative to non-figurative, and now I'm moving back to figurative. Trying to converge them together. So I would say this is something I would practice if we're separate. It's always hard because you see everything. Right. Yeah. This needs to be a 7 feet painting. It's small. It's very hard to transport it. So this one's a little piece that it's figurative. You will be able to see connection. Color and pattern. This could be a floor tile or this could be a kitchen tile. Everything's coming from the home and it's very clear. The first layer is being ash and it's a house paint. Walls as well. The second layer is semi-gloss and the third layer is high gloss. So I try to build it out. Yeah, I just I use extra gels. Sorry.
And very kind of her to give us time from a very busy schedule these days. And it's so wonderful to have openings in the gallery again, physical openings after quite a long gap. We had one a month back, which was extremely popular. And thank you all for being here. I know many of the roads are closed and people are finding it a bit difficult to come, but thank you for being here. And it's very important, your support is what keeps us going in Satrang Gallery. Mr. Balani has been an unwavering supporter, and Mr. Michel Galopin, Mrs. Balani, thank you for your support. And Satrang Gallery is going to be 10 years old, inshallah, in March. So we are forging ahead, and with each exhibition we feel we are getting stronger and getting artists of very high caliber. Our curator Zara Khan, who is not here today, has been working very hard to take the gallery forward, and we are very proud to exhibit the works of two young ladies. One is here with us, Minna and Farazeh, who couldn't come because of family reasons today. But both of them very talented, skilled painters, and both of them, through their paintings, are talking about women, lives of women, particularly in Pakistan. Each artist has a different take. Minna's very colorful paintings, which are a blend of tradition and modernity, contemporary works. She's here luckily, so she'll be able to tell you more about her paintings. I know they say that art talks, so each of you has a different take on them as you engage with the art, but nothing like hearing from the artists themselves. And I'd like to then give the mic to our High Commissioner, Wendy Gilmore, who's very kindly given us time. And thank you very much, Wendy, for being here, please. And then it'll be you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity to be here, to the Boulanis, the Galopin, the general manager, of course, our young artist, and as always, this is just a tremendously wonderful space to get the chance to see young people and young artists in the Pakistan context. I'm so glad that Minna's here with us today. I'm sorry I can't meet Farazeh, but what I was particularly interested in when I read the information on their work is that these are artists that span two cultures. Happens to be the United States and Pakistan. I would say go to Canada next. But it is, I think, one of the great impetus for art is when you're looking at your culture from outside and longing for home, which you've told us about, which is, at dinner hour to see the food and the colors and the vibrancy really makes me want to have some Pakistani food, but also the sense of contemplation. The Serena Hotel continues to offer a space for young artists in Pakistan, and that we here as diplomats have the chance to come and see it. So thank you very much. I'm interested in hearing from your work, and really a great round of thanks for the Serena and for Satrang Gallery. Thank you.
Thank you very much, High Commissioner, for your kind words and very insightful appreciation of the art. Can we now ask Minna, the artist, to speak about her work?
Hello, everybody. Thank you for being here. I am my work is my work is a celebration of food, Pakistani food in particular, which is the main event inside homes and outside of them. When I was in New York, I wanted to forget everything and start a new life, but when I went back, I just thought about all the things that made me me and all the things that I saw growing up, and this food and the colors, the patterns, absolutely, like, they just took over, and I wanted to share that with everyone and celebrate that with them, and that's how the body of work came out. And I feel that the work started in New York and it's still continuing. I'm not done with that. I'm not still satisfied. I'm still hungry. I hope the work makes you hungry too, because I was when I was painting it. So enjoy it, I would say. Just experience the work.
Thank you, Minna. Thank you, Mr. Aziz Boulani. We haven't had you in the gallery for a while. You were traveling last time. So I think we're going to get you to speak for a few words at least.
Thank you, Asma. High Commissioner, distinguished guest. Let me compliment Minna for the wonderful piece of art she has put in, and along with the other talented artists. And I keep saying that Pakistan is blessed with talented artists. We only need to provide the platform so that they can take off from there and connect the artists and artisans with the right audience. That was the basic reason for creating this art gallery. And this is the only gallery, I suppose, in Pakistan and maybe in the region or in the globally also, which never sleeps. It's 7 days a week, the entire month, 365 days, morning till evening. People, they come, look at it. So this is what Serena has been projecting and promoting the art and artisans. So even this entire hotel is showcasing the artwork of a lot of talented artists, and they all belongs to Pakistan. And again, my compliments to you, and of course to our friend Wendy for taking up time and coming and opening this gallery. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Aziz. Mr. Gallagher, would you like to speak?
Assalamu alaikum, good evening. Almost the evening, 2 minutes, I believe. Your Excellency, Mr. Boulani, thank you very much for your kind words. We have a bit of a restricted number of guests because of the streets outside, but Satrang is never blocked, as you know. Satrang is open, as Mr. Boulani said, in 24 hours, which is unique in history of galleries. A bank can close its doors, but the Satrang Gallery never closes, and we exhibit this wonderful art 24 hours and 365 days a year. Congratulations, Asma. The 10th anniversary will be coming soon, I believe. Do you remember the date?
Sorry?
It was 2012.
That's right, March.
March,
2012.
no, next March. Anyway, congratulations, the artist is wonderful, very colorful. It's like Frida Kahlo or something, but it's great and full of inspiration and joy. Joy, we need joy now. What is happening in the world, we need joy. Thank you very much. Have a very good evening together and stay as long as you can. Wonderful exhibition. Thank you. Shukriya.
Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Ambassador Nicholas, for coming as well. And please have a good evening and enjoy the art. Thank you.
साथ मैम मौजूद हैं जिन्होंने बहुत खूबसूरत पेंटिंग की है। हम इनसे जानेंगे मैम, इतनी खूबसूरत पेंटिंग, इसमें आपने खाने पीने की बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें दिखाई हैं जिससे लोगों की ज़्यादा तलब होती है और ज़्यादा अट्रैक्शन होती है। ये क्या, कैसे आइडिया आपके जहन में आया?
ये कैसे आइडिया आया, जब आपको कोई चीज़ नहीं मिलती ना तो आप उसके बारे में सोचते हैं। तो जब ये मुझे खाना, मैं न्यूयॉर्क में थी और मैं इस खाने के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सोचती थी, क्योंकि इस तरह का खाना लेने के लिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दूर ट्रैवल करना पड़ता था। मैं अपनी इमेजिनेशन से बनाती थी, अपनी मेमोरी से, जो मुझे याद था कि ये कैसा होता है। एंड इसी तरह से ये काम निकला और अभी तक निकल रहा है। इसमें से आई एम नॉट डन विद इट, आई एम स्टिल हंग्री। और यही कहूँगी कि अभी बस और चीज़ें, इसको और एक्सप्लोर करना है अभी।
अच्छा, और एक्सप्लोर करें मैम। एक पेंटिंग जो आपने बनाई है उसको कितना टाइम लग गया, कितना ड्यूरेशन लग गया?
ये डिपेंड करता है कि पेंटिंग का सब्जेक्ट क्या है या उसको वो कितनी रिजॉल्व है या प्लान है। शुरू में मेरे ख्याल से 1 महीना, अगर मैं फुल डिटेल के साथ दूँ, 3 to 4 weeks।
3 to 4 weeks पर
I wouldn't say, because I start many paintings together, so मेरे ख्याल से अगर एक पेंटिंग का करें तो 2 हफ्ते, 1 हफ्ता या 2 हफ्ते में बन सकती है एक पेंटिंग। मेरी स्पीड पे डिपेंड करता है, मेरी अवेलेबिलिटी पे, बिकॉज मैं खाली ये नहीं करती, आई ऑल्सो टीच पेंटिंग, सो आई हैव टू टेक आउट टाइम टू पेंट। सो उस तरह अगर मैं खाली पेंट करूँ तो फिर शायद हफ्ते में एक बन जाए।
ओके। न्यू आर्टिस्ट जो हैं, न्यू जो पेंटिंग करते हैं, उन्हें क्या पैगाम देंगे पेंटिंग के हवाले से?
मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जस्ट कीप एट इट, बी ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ and keep making work. Do not get discouraged. I know it's hard. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket, but just keep going. Never stop. Never give up painting.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.